What is up, Virgo gang? Y'all know how it goes. Let's clear these cards out of the way and let's jump right into your session. Mm. Take what resonates, leave the rest, and I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.